Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Havre De Grace, local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring long-distance movers in Havre De Grace doesn't have to be a struggle. At 3 Movers, we take great pride in our reputation for excellence in providing a smooth, hassle-free, easy long-distance moving experience. We've been in business for years and can handle long-distance moves of any type, size, or distance. We even offer full-service moving, where we'll pack up your stuff in Havre De Grace, then unpack it after we unload it in your new home. This makes the process even faster and easier for you and your family. Thinking about renting a truck in Havre De Grace for a DIY move? Think again. While a DIY move may help you save some money, it's a lot more hassle and can be a physically and mentally exhausting process. If you've got a busy schedule and don't want to bother with handling your own local move in Havre De Grace, you shouldn't have to. 3 Movers offers great rates, reliable movers, and the best customer service in the area. Get a quote online to get started right away. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Havre De Grace moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.